I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so recovery works. Sign into your Samsung account now, then open Settings and go to Biometrics and Security. Once there, enable Find My Mobile and toggle Remote Controls. This lets Samsung remotely locate, lock, or ring your device. Next, enable Send Last Location and Offline Finding so the device reports position even with weak connectivity. Finally, also confirm location and network access are on, because remote features require location services and an internet connection to function. Once signed into Find My Mobile, Samsung.com, select the missing device from the device list. You'll see the last known location on a map, plus options to ring, lock, or unlock. If the map is inaccurate, use the refresh control and check GPS accuracy on the phone. Make sure battery saver is off. Before you perform destructive actions, use backup or retrieve calls to save data. If the device is offline, leave a lock screen message and enable remote unlock so you can regain access later. You finish by choosing the appropriate action. Ring to attract attention, lock with a message and phone number, or erase only when recovery is impossible because erase is permanent. If the device appears offline, make sure it has power, cellular, or Wi-Fi, and that Find My Mobile and location were enabled. Sign out and back into your Samsung account if needed. For stubborn issues, reboot the phone remotely if possible, or remove and re-add the Samsung account. Test the whole process now to confirm it works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.